Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of January 2022. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So let's see what's going on with you. Okay. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Alright. So let's see what's going on with my Geminis, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, January 2022. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Alright, so we have the Three of Wands in your overall energy. This is something in which you could be planning for, something, love kind of a thing, or something like traveling. So yeah, there is definitely some planning going on. With the planning, I see that something is coming towards execution as well, and you're waiting for that particular situation. Whatever you have applied for, it could be a job offer, it could be anything. So you're waiting for somebody to say yes to you. You're waiting for some kind of a good news. In the past, we have Six of Swords, Five of Pentacles and Five of Wands. Yeah, I think you have really done your hard work in the past to get this kind of good news. You have really waited for a long time. I feel somewhere, when things are going bad and we just wait for the good times to come. You kind of have arguments, fights with some people for your better place, for your thing, or there is some kind of separation as well in the past. So things you have really done a lot in the past. In the present, we have Queen of Wands, Nine of Cups and Knight of Wands. Yes, so it's the time for you to celebrate this proper timing, okay? So you want to, it could be a family members, you want to celebrate this good time with them. And yeah, it feels like things are coming towards some execution. And right now, it's the time for you to wait and watch. In the future energies, we have Two of Wands, Three of Cups and the Lover's energy. So this is definitely telling us that whatever decision you are taking right now, so these are coming towards a celebration time. Okay, so this can be this month or this can be another month, but definitely things are going your way. Let's see. Geminis. What's going on with my Geminis with the overall energy? Please, Three of Wands. Why Three of Wands energy is here? Ten of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles and the Empress. I feel that somewhere you are still finding some balance and peace in your life at present. But your overall energy is telling us that, whatever you have worked for, it was always for stability, for growth, for money, power, actions, whatever this thing is, okay? But you have always worked really hard for the good news to come always, and and you are not in the state of accepting a no as a reply from the other person. So your energies are kind of good, what I feel, and I feel that surrounding energies are also helping you right now. Okay, things are fine around you. Might be not in the past, but it's like it's time for you to cherish this moment and the coming times. Let's see Five of Pentacles in the past. Why is it here? The Hanged Man, Five of Swords and Knight of Wands. So yeah, definitely I feel that somewhere in the past people were trying to mistreat you, or there was something in regards with, people, you not able to come to a decision making, or people not helping you to come towards that, or you could have felt alone at some point of time where no one was there to help you out. Five of Wands, let's see. Nine of Cups, Queen of Swords and Three of Cups. So I don't know what I am really getting, some third party situation. If you are dealing with some love issue over here, so this is definitely a person who is in the past. There was so much of struggles, and you could have also dealt with third party relationship in the past. I don't know, but could be a widow or a divorcee as well, with whom you were dealing with, or your person could have been dealing with. So something was against you. The basket was, sorry, the ball was not in your court, but at the same time things shifted to your side by the time passed. Okay, I want to see Queen of Wands now. The Magician, Page of Wands, and the Emperor energy. Yeah, so you have finally taken things in under your control now. Magician, Gemini, Aries, Leo energies. So this is something which is really, it's like action oriented energies. You are not in your thoughts, not in your emotions. You, whatever you are, wherever you are, whatever you are doing, you are now have become very action oriented, and you just believe in good karma, bad karma as well, and you don't see yourself going towards something bad because you have done right. So you know that you have done right and you will not get the bad result, definitely. Knight of Wands energy in the present, please. What's going on? Seven of Cups, Knight of Cups, and Four of Cups. So yeah, Cups energy are here now, and the more you there is something like, it's going on in your head. It feels like you are the more you take decisions emotionally, the more confused you become. The more you just go towards emotional thoughts, and people are trying to manipulate you more at that time. But when you take decisions with your mind, by yourself, so you see that things are going your way because you have become very practical in that situation. So practicality is actually helping you out here, Geminis. All right, so let's see Two of Wands energy in the future. Strength, the Star, and Wheel of Fortune. So yeah, a lot of strong hope with healings, with change of direction, change of path. Everything is your way. It feels like you have become very strengthy. It's a lot of courage which is coming for you, and yeah, it feels like that. Let me clarify the Three of Cups as well. What's coming up with the Three of Cups? Eight of Swords, King of Wands, and Three of Swords, and the Lover's energy. Why is it here? Temperance, Chariot, and Five of Wands. For some of you, you are going through, or it feels like something somewhere about a person with whom you are dealing with, and that is why you are not thinking about your emotions at the present time, as well as it's a kind of not able to take some decisions when it comes to the heart matters. I feel that in the coming future you are not able to take some decisions in regards with a person with whom you are dealing with. Could be a Leo, Sagittarius, or Aries, but from within you know that things are going your way. You know that things are coming your way. If somebody is here, if somebody's real face has come out, that means that the universe is with you. And this is the reason, because of that love issue you are dealing with, like you are at crossroads in the coming future. Other matters, I feel that the matters which are other than heart matters are fine. Okay, money, fine. You are busy. You could be like busy in your personal, professional life, and everything around that is kind of going fine. But when it comes to the heart matters, it is a little bit of third party situation which I am getting over here. You are dealing with that thing, and you are coming towards a decision making in the coming future, where you will feel that it's better to move on from this kind of an energy rather than being there and fighting daily. A decision making is coming your way, Geminis. I don't know who it may resonate, but yeah, could be dealing with the Sagittarius, Cancer, another Gemini, or Libra, Aquarius, again, Leo. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what is coming up with you, because I really feel that this is definitely in regards with somebody's heart matter. Okay, so I think that it helped, my reading help you, and come to a decision as soon as you can. All right, so that is all from my side, and I hope it helps. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.